Sri Shankar Narayan Education Trust's College of Arts and Commerce, established in 1994 in Thane, Maharashtra, is affiliated with Mumbai University and has an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. In this review, we will focus on its BSc program, starting right off with a 3.2 rated placements. As per recent student reviews, top recruiters include Wipro, Tata, Accenture, Mahindra, Infosys, with the most common role being that of web developer. According to the student reviews, 75 to 80% of the students were placed with the highest package ranging from 10 to 13 lakh per annum and an average salary of around 5 lakh per annum. In comparison to the Royal College of Arts, Science and Commerce, SNCLG offers a higher average package. Speaking of internships, as per reviews, opportunities are available at major companies like Flipkart, Zomato and TCS. Moving on now to the academic offerings, where the BSc program is rated 3.4 out of 5 stars. The college offers BSc across 2 specializations, Information Technology and Computer Science. To be eligible for the program, candidates must have passed CAST 12th with a 45% aggregate and a comparative score in Mumbai University entrance exam. The total seat intake for the BSc program is 240. The total tuition fees for the 3-year BSc program is around 75,000 rupees. The college also offers several scholarships based on merit and other criteria. Turning our attention to the 3.4 star rated infrastructure. The campus has an extensive library with 48,000 books, well-equipped laboratories such as computer and electronics lab, spacious classrooms, canteens and medical facility. Students report that the quality of the canteen food is good. The college offers a gymkhana with facilities for indoor games like carom and chess, along with a large playground for sports such as cricket, kho-kho, volleyball, football, long jump and running. Shifting our focus to faculty and course, which is rated 3.4 by students on Shiksha.com. According to student reviews, faculty members are praised for being approachable and highly qualified, with many holding PhDs. Students report that the curriculum is relevant and prepares students for the industry by incorporating industry visits. The college also organizes career guidance programs starting from the first year, offering mock interviews, group discussions, communication skill workshops, and personality development sessions. Now let's move on to the 3.9 rated campus life. The college hosts academic, cultural and sports events, with students actively participating in the intercollegiate festivals. Lastly, Sri Shankar Narayan Education Trust's College of Arts Commerce is unranked in the NRF 2024 report. For more details on Sri Shankar Narayan Education Trust's College of Arts and Commerce and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.